Welcome. In this video, I want to show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your Motorola Moto G14 smartphone. So, first thing that you should do or can do is try to access your smartphone using an alternative method. So if you have a face unlock or fingerprint unlock set up on your device, then you can use this method to get access to your smartphone, and after that back up all the important data you have on your smartphone to either an SD card or to a PC or to an external cloud storage. And after that, go to settings on your smartphone. In settings, scroll down to system. Then in system, select reset options and then select erase all data and perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. After the factory reset operation is performed, you'll be able to set up your device again and create a new password for yourself, and then restore all the data that you had on your previously had on your smartphone from the backup. Now, the other way to go is to reach out to Motorola customer support service and tell them about this problem that you have, and in case you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, then they'll be able to help you out with your issue without erasing any data from your smartphone. And if you cannot do that either, then you can perform a factory reset operation manually using either recovery mode or Find Hub service by Google. So if you want to learn more about how to perform factory reset operation using recovery mode, we have a separate video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. But if you don't know how to do that, you can still perform a but if you want to, you can still perform a factory reset operation remotely. And to do that, you're gonna need to use another device with internet connection. So it can be your other smartphone, it can be your tablet, laptop, PC, whatever. And using that other device, open your web browser and search for Find Hub website. It's an official Google website, so just open it, then sign into it using your Google account that is linked with your Motorola smartphone, and then select your Motorola device on the list. And after you tap on it on the list, you'll be able to access devices settings and select factory reset your Motorola smartphone. And once the factory reset operation is finished, you'll be able to set up your phone once again. Now, the other thing that I didn't mention, and it's possible in several cases, but usually it's pretty rare. So sometimes a third-party application or a background activity might affect the way that your lock screen behaves. And if you do remember your lock screen password, but you still cannot access your device, that might mean that some background activity is blocking your device's interface and won't let you access your smartphone. In such case, we're gonna have to access the safe mode on this phone, and to do that, press power button and volume up keys simultaneously, and then hold your finger down on the power off option. And once you see the reboot to safe mode notification on your screen, tap OK and let your phone restart. And once your phone is restarted into the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, here we're gonna have to enter our password, and if you succeed, then before trying to figure out which background activity or application could have caused this kind of issue, let's first go to settings on our smartphone, and let's go to system. Let's go to security and privacy, and here select device unlock, then go to screen lock, enter your password once again, and remove the previously enrolled screen lock by selecting none or swipe. Then tap delete and then restart your phone once again by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time, and then select restart and let your phone reboot. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.